Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to back up your GB, FM, OGG, AZ, MA, YO, and other WhatsApp mod versions on your Google Drive. We start after the intro. You will need two applications. Your WhatsApp mod version. It can be GB, YO, FM, OG, AZ, etc., and an application known as AutoSync for Google Drive. Both download links will be given in the video description. Also, there is a latest GB WhatsApp version which is version 8.75 which has been released and I recommend you to download it. You will find its download link equally in video description. As you can see, I am running GB WhatsApp version 8.75 already. After you must have downloaded AutoSync for Google Drive, locate it in your storage and install it. This particular application we are using is free on Play Store but, with some limitations and, AutoSync Google Drive on Play Store contains in-app purchases, ads, and allows us to make only one folder pair with Google Drive. But, the version we will be using is an ultimate version, meaning, all its pro features have been unlocked. So, that's why I insist you get the application version I will be using. You will find its download link in the video description. Once installation completed, don't open the app yet. Just click on Done. Don't forget, you need to do a local backup of your GB WhatsApp before proceeding. If you don't know how, I will show you later. Just continue watching. Now, launch AutoSync for Google Drive. Click on Connect to Google Drive. Choose your account where you want to back up and wait for some seconds. Now click Allow to give AutoSync for Google Drive the permission to access the necessity required to back up your GB WhatsApp. Now, click on Choose what to sync. Now, select Let me create my own folder pair. Take the first option and it will take you directly to your Google Drive directory. From here, I will advise you to create a GB WhatsApp folder so all your GB WhatsApp backups will be sent to that folder. Now, take the second option which is, select local folder in device. This is where you will locate the local GB WhatsApp folder. As promised earlier in the video, let me show you how to back up your GB WhatsApp locally. Once you're here, click on Backup. Now, you can locate the GB WhatsApp folder in your device. It can be in your internal storage, or in your SD card depending on your default storage settings. What we aim at in this folder is the database folder, because that is where all the GB WhatsApp data from the server is been stored. Now the backup process has started. It may take time to backup depending on your backup size. The backup files will be sent directly to the GB WhatsApp folder we created earlier in Google Drive. Now let's go check our Google Drive to see if the backup went through well. As you can see, these are the GB WhatsApp data files we just backup. Let's head on to the GB WhatsApp folder to see the files. The backup was successful. Wait, don't leave yet, there is still one thing left for us to do. If you noticed, the autosync is not accessible in my device. This is because I am running on an Android version of 9.0. This option will be automatically disabled for devices running Android 6.0 and above, and we will need to activate it if we don't want to come to the app every time and click on sync. So to activate, we need to disable battery optimization for this app in the system settings. Just follow me as I do so. Now click on Autosync for Google Drive and select Don't Optimize. This will automatically remove the app from your optimized application list, and, thus, this will permit Autosync for Google Drive to sync your GB WhatsApp data automatically without you having to do anything. That's it guys, now you know how to backup your GB WhatsApp to your Google Drive. This method also applies for the other mod versions of WhatsApp. GB WhatsApp was mostly stated because it is the WhatsApp mod version I use. So don't forget to subscribe before leaving and give a thumbs up for this video. Also, don't forget to check the video description for the download links. I will see you in the next tutorial.